Hello, everyone. My name is Edward Murray, and this is my video review for Java 1 Week 3, term 1401. So this week, we had to utilize the working with the JSON data, or the JSON object, I should say, from last week, pulling information from an API and then giving the user the ability to manipulate and view the data. The API I used for this is just a weather API. Basically, the user enters in a zip code and it will display the information for that area. So as you can see here, I have my main activity open. I got the linear layout, the text view, all the basic stuff. The enter zip edit text for the user to enter in their zip code. I have my connection status check up here. If there's a connection status, it allows the user to set the on-click listener. If not, it just says no connection found. You can see up here I have the static string for the API URL. It's just the base URL without a query. And then down here is where I collect the zip code that the user enters and just concatenate that with the URL, the get data for the URL. So we can come over here and see how it works. The user opens the application, just says enter zip code to receive weather information. I'll just go ahead and put in Melbourne's zip code. It clears out the input and then pops up the information for the weather. The only thing I don't like about this API is it does not provide a city name. So what I did is just went ahead and pulled the user entry for the zip code and displayed it here just in case the user may have made an error entering the zip code. They can see what zip code they're getting the information for. The lessons this week went pretty well. Just like last week, pretty much just followed along with the video. Was able to work a little bit more comfortably with JSON object. Last week I struggled with pulling the information from the object. This week I was able to actually pull the information and get it figured out. And that's pretty much it. Enjoyed this week learning how to pull information from an API, and I look forward to next week.